She got me again. She did it. I knew she would. Hey guys, what's up? Will here, ready to react and review another music video by IU called Sleepless, Rainy Night. And just recently I watched the music video for IU's other song, Last Night's Story. That really impressed me, so hopefully this is just as good. And I actually also did a reaction review of that other IU song, Last Night's Story, so if you want to go check that out, it's on my channel. So let's dive right into this Sleepless Rainy Night music video now. 3, 2, 1, go. There she is. Pretty as always. Really cute glasses. I like the orange tint to the sunglasses. Oh, she looked right into the camera. Kill me. Such an easygoing song, such a light, beautiful voice. The different outfits in the TV. So chill. She's got that Where's Waldo vibe going on with the red hat and the striped shirt. It's cute. It's mesmerizing when she looks into the camera like that. Oh, the high notes. Oh, perfect. Okay. Side note, I like the guitarist with the sunglasses with the guitars on them. Pretty neat. Just sort of picked that up. Shout out to that guy. Oh, the glasses are off. Okay. Oh, she has cute earrings on too. I like the hearts. Oh, flawless, dude. There's my boy with the sunglasses. Oh my god, such a strong finish. That note she just hit. She got me again. She did it. I knew she would. Flawless, dude. Alright guys, let's get into the review portion where I decipher what goes on in the lyrics and what's the meaning to the song. Alright, so the basic concept of the entire song and the lyrics is that she's reminiscing about a past boyfriend and that she misses him greatly. And so the first point to talk about is that she can't fall asleep because she's too deep in thought about this lost lover. And a translated quote from the lyrics is, "I don't think I can sleep through this long night." And this is also why the song is called Sleepless Rainy Night. And the next point to talk about is that she's depressed that she's still not together with this ex-boyfriend. And I have some quotes to go along with this point. First off, "My heart feels sad for no reason." Then another quote is, "I can't comfort my heart." And then lastly, when she's thinking about him, she says, quote, "On a night where it rains like this, you make me even sadder." All those quotes showing how this past relationship has emotionally affected her now that they're separated. And the last point is that she misses him, and there are some quotes from the lyrics that support this point. And one example of this is that she plays his favorite music when she's sad, and the quote that goes along with that is, "I lean and sit against the window, playing the guitar and singing the song you used to like." And she does that to cope with the fact that she misses him and that she's no longer with him. And then another quote that supports that she misses him is that she says, "Your sad smile remains in my heart." Then she says, "My tired longing goes to you." And then lastly, she says, "After the rain stops, I will go looking for you." Each of these quotes in different ways showing how she misses him and wishes he could be with her again. Alright guys, that does it for the analysis of this music video. I think IU did a wonderful job with this. I think that she sung it really beautifully to go along with the sadness of the lyrics, and I think that the music video, although it was simple, it was effective in being lower key and more suitable towards the sadness that's supposed to be expressed in the song. So all in all, she killed it, I think, and why don't you guys leave what you think down in the comments below. And if you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe. I did another IU music video reaction, like I said in the beginning. There's another one on my channel, check it out. And I hope to see you guys again. Bye.